You go to your attorney and set up your estate plan. A recent case decided by the Ohio Court of Appeals shows that unless your documents are drafted properly, your power of attorney can be used to change your estate plan. To discuss this recent case and how to protect yourself is my law partner, Michael Solomon. So welcome back. So how can somebody change an estate plan without your consent?
Well, normally they can't. You know, most people have a will, maybe they have a trust, but another document most people have is a durable power of attorney, sometimes called a financial power of attorney. And depending on what you put in that document, it could have a result that you might not like.
Now, we've discussed power of attorneys on the show before, so what powers in this document allows people to change your estate plan?
Well, there are two I want to talk about. One is some people have in their power of attorney the right of the power holder to change the trust documents or to actually make a trust for them, even without the person's knowledge. So that, I don't use that often, but that's a very big potential problem.
Okay, what's the second power to be careful about?
This one is more often. Many times people put in the power of attorney the ability of the power holder to give away your assets to other children, nephews, nieces, family members. And they can do this, and they can change beneficiaries. So one example might be, let's say you have a deed in your name, and you've named your son the beneficiary, the transfer and death affidavit. We've talked about that on the show. But the daughter has the power of attorney, and she changes the beneficiary of the deed. Mom dies, daughter inherits the property, and there may be very little that the son can do about it. There was that case I just mentioned in Ohio that addressed a situation just like that.
Did it have a fair outcome at least?
Well, it had a fair outcome after 3 years of litigation, a whole bunch of legal fees. And in this situation, grandma named her granddaughter the beneficiary of a deed, named her daughter the power holder. The daughter changed the beneficiary and then eventually just transferred the deed to herself. Eventually, the granddaughter sued her mom for what's called tortious interference of inheritance, a big word, and she actually won. The granddaughter did win, got the real estate back, of course had to spend all that time and money on that. So it was a fair result, but maybe the planning was a little weak.
All right, so sometimes those powers are necessary, you know, for Medicaid and things like that, but you got to be careful. Make sure you understand your documents so your wishes are followed. If you're a beneficiary on the wrong end of a power of attorney, look into your rights. If you have any questions about this, call Mike. The number's next.
Call Solomon, Steiner and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, we'll boast about why 3 buckets are best for managing your money. Then we'll have a top 10 list of wonderful winter workouts to keep you in shape while you're stuck indoors. And find out how you can join in a celebration of breast cancer survivors. But until then, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
If you'd like to join our kitchen conversation, visit our website, www.goldenopportunities.tv. Like us on Facebook. Call us at 440-742-GO-TV or email us at kitchen@goldenopportunities.tv. We'd love to hear from you.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.